see, there are four balls of it's a formation of a ball, a typical ball, of course. Pero yung ginawa yan to form the art of the ball is the, sabi ni ate, ano daw siya? Made of, it's a 5 ball pala siya, typical ball. Made up of Philippine money bill. Yung mga old na series of Philippine money bills. It's 5 pesos yung green ito on the center. Tsaka dito naman is the 10 peso bill, yung Apolinario Mabini. At saka ito yung Emilio Aguinaldo. At saka meron dito sa side 500 peso bill, Ninoy Aquino. Ay, Ninoy Aquino ba ito? Tsaka Corazon Aquino. The couple Aquino. It's 500. And this one is 1,000 peso bill. At saka dito naman sa taas, are 500 peso bill. Ayan, ang ganda. Tsaka ito naman, 50 peso bill. Ayan. Yung 50 peso bill, LPG Quirino ba yun? Ito naman. And they're all, it's a collage actually. It's made up of money, paper bills, Philippine money, paper bills. And it actually depicts a sport, because there is a symbolism of sport when you look at the 5 balls. It's actually aligned diagonally. And the message of this collage, maybe we can interview further about this collage. Yung gumawa talaga nito yung artist. Diba? Ang ganda! So amazing! And we take a closer look at the right side. Below sa 50 peso bill. You can actually trace a face. A face of two face, one male and one female faces. At saka yung blueprint ng mga money bill of 1,000 pesos na yan is actually siguro symbolizes waves, water waves, ganun. Ayan, ang ganda. Naku, it took a minute, not only a minute, but an hour, a day to complete this collage maybe, so we can interview further about this. Mismo yung artist na gumawa nito, maybe he or she is a student or an adult already. She has spent time for this collage making. Ang ganda. It's time consuming, but it's perfectly done. Slowly but surely. So maybe you can think of another collage making. It's a work of the art.